Hello there, my name is Charlie from WTI and let me show you this little camera. Monitor your home and belongings with this camera from Wyze. Why are security cameras so important to me? They provide us with peace of mind knowing that our home or any place where we install them is being monitored. And since I'm off it out, I'm always checking. As you can see, it's small, but it covers a good amount of space. It comes with its own charger. It's very easy to set up since it comes with its own app, and you can install it yourself. You can place it in on any smooth surface with good internet signal. Something that I really like is I can even check on my phone if everything is okay at home. So this little camera from Wyze could be for you, and that's my point of view.